Viewers, welcome back to the channel. Today we are creating beautiful, magical and budget-friendly Christmas pinecone craft that will turn your home into a warm winter wonderland. And how we make these decorations, I want to share a small story, memory from my childhood that began with a single pinecone and become a family tradition. So grab your supplies, relax, and let's bring 12 Christmas magic to life. When I was a child, my grandmother loved decorating her house with natural things, twig leaves, dried oranges, and especially pine cones she collected on a winter walk. I was too young to understand why she put so much love into handmade decoration. But one snowy evening, she told me, making something with your hands, give it a piece of your heart. That's why handmade thing lasts longer in memories, and today we are continuing her tradition by creating beautiful pinecone decor just like she did. Let's begin with our first craft, mini pinecone Christmas tree, cute and easy and perfect for tabletop. You will need for this large pine cones, green acrylic paint, and wooden slice or bottle cap, hot glue, glitter, small bead, or pearls. Paint the pinecone green to create your teeny Christmas tree. For a snowy look, add touches button, paint on the tips, brush a little glue over the pine cones and sprinkle. Add small beads as ornaments. Finally glue the pine cones into wooden base so it stand firmly. These little trees look adorable on shelves, dining tables, or even as Christmas dinner plate sitting. My grandmother used to say that every pine cone is shaped differently, just like every tree in the forest, and just like us, not two are the same. They're the beauty of handmade craft. Every piece has its own personality. Our second craft is my favorite pine cone angel spring, simple, elegant, and these pinecone angels make perfect handmade gifts, thoughtful, beautiful, and full of meaningful. I still remember making my very first pinecone angels and give it to my grandmother. She had a gently smile and place it in the very center of Christmas tree. That angel became our tradition every year. It went on the tree first. Sometime the simplest handmade gift become the one we treasure forever. Now let's create something that will transform your table into a winter. Since a snowy pinecone centerpiece, you will need pinecone white paint, a glass jar or small basket, fairy lights, artificial snow or cotton, small Christmas ornaments, lightly beige white paint on the pinecones to give a festive effect. Place cotton on artificial snow at the bottom of your jar or basket. Add fairy lights to create a warm glow. Arrange the snowy pine cones on top, add small ornaments to fill the spaces. These centerpieces are warmth, charm, and a magical snowy feel to any room. As we finish these crafts, I can't help but remember those cozy winter nights with my grandmother, laughing, crafting, and filling the house with handmade decoration. Maybe today you are starting a new family tradition too, because handmade things are not just decoration, they are memories we create with love. Thanks for watching my channel, my videos. Hope you like this. If you like, so please now subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon for more amazing craft ideas.